The revolutionary who saved his greatest enemy became his own executioner. It's 1958, Baghdad, Iraq. A young general leads a coup that topples the monarchy in a single day. Abd al-Karim Qasim promises land for peasants and oil wealth for Iraqis. He survives bomb plots and shootouts, becoming the hero of Arab nationalism. A 21-year-old assassin tries to kill him and fails. The young man's name is Saddam Hussein, but Qasim shows mercy and pardons him. For 5 years, Qasim rules as the people's champion, but the CIA backs his enemies and the Ba'ath Party plots in secret. The same young men he trusted prepare to strike. In February 1963, tanks roll through Baghdad while Qasim sits isolated from his army. He barricades himself in the Ministry of Defense as gunfire echoes outside. The revolutionaries break down his door and drag him to a makeshift court. They execute him on live television, the cameras rolling as he falls. The revolutionary who pardoned Saddam Hussein was Abd al-Karim Qasim.